Flavourful roasted vegetables and fresh tagliatelle come together to form a dish that's comforting and nutritious, and you won't believe how easy it is to make. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. This roasted vegetable pasta is simple, cheap, and it provides a rainbow of flavour for your plate. So let's get cooking. We're going to start with the veggies. I'm going to be using red and yellow peppers, courgette, tomatoes, red onion and sliced mushrooms for this recipe. But really you can use whatever vegetables you've got in your fridge. Even veggies that are starting to come to the end of their life can be revived with this recipe. Roughly chop your veggies into nice chunky pieces and then place them in a high-sided baking dish. I'm also adding in 12 button mushrooms that have been sliced in half, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, about a teaspoon of balsamic vinegar, half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper, and a teaspoon each of dried oregano and paprika. And then we toss everything together with a couple of spoons until that mixture is thoroughly combined. And spread it all out in a nice even layer. Now place that in an oven that's been preheated to 180C fan or 375F for about 25 minutes. Now take it out of the oven and add in 2 tablespoons of tomato puree or paste if you're in the US, plus 240ml, which is about a cup of hot vegetable stock, and a teaspoon of Worcester sauce, or use a vegetarian alternative if you prefer. And stir it all together again so it's all combined. And that will be the base of our delicious vegetable sauce. So that goes back in the oven for about another 5 to 10 minutes until that sauce is lovely and bubbly. And meanwhile, we're going to boil up some fresh pasta. So I use 300 grams, which is about 10.5 ounces of fresh tagliatelle to feed 4 people and cook as per the pack instructions, usually about 5 or 6 minutes. And then we want to drain that cooked pasta, reserving about a cup of the pasta cooking water. By now, those roasted vegetables should be perfectly cooked. So remove the tray from the oven and we're going to stir in a little bit of cornflour slurry just to thicken the sauce up a little bit. So the cornflour slurry is made up of a tablespoon of cornflour, or cornstarch in the US, mixed with 3 tablespoons of cold water, and just stir it all together until that sauce thickens. Now add in that cooked pasta and 2 tablespoons of creme fraiche and toss everything together. If you find you want to loosen the sauce a little bit, you can add in splashes of that pasta cooking water. And now you're ready to serve. So divide that beautiful tagliatelle mixture between 4 bowls. I like to top with some grated parmesan, or you can use a vegetarian alternative if you prefer, plus a good sprinkling of some fresh basil leaves. And there you go, that's a perfect, quick and easy dinner for a lovely meat-free meal. And if you wanted to make it even more special, you could make your own pasta. Check out my video here. Really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then please like and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of new recipes. See you next time.